Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many of us face when using digital devices. Picture this. You're working on an important project on your computer, and suddenly, you encounter the dreaded problem of your device freezing. It can be frustrating, disruptive, and downright annoying. But fear not, because we have a solution that can help you tackle this issue head-on and get back to being productive in no time. So what's the solution to this pesky freezing problem? Well, it's actually quite simple. By clearing out the cache on your device, you can potentially resolve the issue and prevent it from happening again in the future. The cache is a temporary storage location on your device that can sometimes get overloaded with data, causing your device to slow down or freeze. By clearing it out, you're essentially giving your device a fresh start and allow you to run more smoothly. Now, you might be wondering how to clear out the cache on your device. The process is typically straightforward and can vary depending on the type of device you're using. For example, on a computer, you can clear out the cache by going into your browser settings and selecting the option to clear browsing data. On a smartphone or tablet, you can usually find the option to clear the cache in the settings menu under Storage or Application Settings. It's a simple yet effective solution that can make a world of difference in improving your device's performance. In summary, encountering a freezing problem on your device could be a real productivity killer. But with the simple solution of clearing out the cache, you can troubleshoot the issue and get your device back on track. Don't let those tech hiccups slow you down, tackle them head on, and keep moving forward. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your favorite tech troubleshooting tip. Thanks for watching, and happy problem solving.